This has been very exciting journey for all of us because we are the only department possibly in Asia which is offering a wide portfolio for the programs. So we have programs on fashion marketing, we have on fashion merchandising, we have on lifestyle retailing, and this year we also launched luxury brands program in postgraduate as well as undergraduate program.
The best part about college, what I feel, is you're learning about the industry, living in the industry. So that is the kind of exposure not many universities and institutes can give. So that is an aided aspect for us because there's a lot of learning that happens because they are experts that are teaching us. They've been in the industry, they know how it works. So the kind of work and projects also that we get are also really focused on the professional side of it. And there's a lot of professionalism in college, be it in projects or the kind of events that we have in workshops.
Basic focus of our graduate profile is that towards the end of the 4 years, we are making them managers. We groom them to be managers into fields like operations, into fields like merchandising, into fields like visual merchandising. Largely, the profiles that they get are starting from fashion consultants to assistant store managers to even store managers. A couple of very good students within the course do also back up some back-end good jobs at the strategic level. Movement in retail is from operations functionality to strategic levels.
There are students who are working with Technopak, there are students who are working with UCB brand, there are students working with Madura brand. And most of the people in the industry are saying that there's something nice about these students is that they are very research oriented. So to do consumer research, to do marketing research is an expertise that these students have. So which is contributing very heavily to the industry.
The one thing that I love about Pearl is that the faculty members are very relatable. So the relationship has been very one-to-one, as in you could anytime go up to them and ask any problem that you had, personal or professional. And the thing was that they were always willing to help you out. If they could not do it themselves, they would always find people who could help you out.
In Pearl and in business department, we certainly believe that it's very important to be comfortable in class. It's very important to explore the best thing in the surrounding. So we give lots of liberty to the student to think, experiment, exercise best thing, whatever they see in the surrounding, and share the same thing in the class. So the relationship is just not in the classroom but outside also the class. We really interact and discuss things.
When the students in first year or second year itself, they start going for industry visits. Say for example, this year we have taken the students to visit to Dubai, to Singapore, to UK, and they also go for the exchange program. So for the exchange program, they will go to Milan, they'll go to London. So it matures them.
I was chosen as the brand ambassador for Pearl Academy to represent at World Innovation Forum in Mexico in 2013. Yeah. And it was once in a lifetime experience because I got to meet a lot of people from different cultures. It was like a dream come true when I was selected to represent Pearl there.
This year also we have students participating in going in World Business Forum, World Innovation Forum, and participating there. So, and international exchange, international internship, powerful placement. The students keep on achieving throughout the year. We are very proud of our students and faculty.